Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What is poppin', y'all? Carabao Rose's in the building, and your girl's on a mini vacay. Just a mini vacay. Me and my girls, my little roomies, we decided to book a flight on Christmas Day to leave on Boxing Day. And now we're in the Canary Islands. Yeah, Lanzarote. I'm in a country that is technically Spain. It's actually located near like Morocco. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop chatting now. That's about that time. You can take a look at what this little Canary Island, Lanzarote in Spain is looking like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.